quickly see what the features are on the Mainstay Kitchen Cart. It says it's available in multiple colors. I only found white. That's the only thing I found off the Walmart's website. But it said it's available in multiple colors. I don't know. I only seen one. Anyway, features. It's on casters, so you can move it around. To me, that's a feature. You got a towel rack right here. Nice and pretty. Doesn't come out, so you can't put paper towels or anything on there. It's kind of sad, but it holds a towel. Wipe your hands. Take the towel off. You got a spice rack on this side. Nice little bar to hold your spices in. Of course, just because it's called a spice rack doesn't mean you have to put spices there. You can put coffee. No, because if your coffee can's small enough to fit there, you're not a coffee drinker. Spices. I got plenty of spices. I can find a few to put there and free up some counter space or counter or shelf space, right? Probably gonna let the daughter decide what goes there though. I'm just saying. What other features does it have? Well, it has a little drawer. You get yourself a little utensil organizer thing, put it in there, and then most of your utensils can go right in there. I'm at an angle, so it's kind of hard to pull that out. If you're in front of it, pulls out, slides in pretty good. But when you're at an angle and you're trying to pull straight out, well, that's why it's stuck. It's got the cabinet down here. It's got a shelf right in the middle, and then, of course, I got it right in the middle. So you can put stuff below, you can put stuff up on it. So there's plenty of shelf space in these. That's it for the features. What more features could you want? A paper towel holder. Why? You got a towel thing right there. Why would you need a paper towel holder? Should have one of those on your cabinets. Or on your countertop. Hey, yeah, you can get one, put it right here, put the paper towels on, boom. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you found this useful at all, please smash that like button. Really helps the channel out, helps us reach more people. So if you found this useful at all, definitely, help me out, help other people out. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. Maybe if there's a feature on here that I didn't cover, let me know. Do it nicely though. We do try to be nice to people, right? I'm trying to be helpful. So be helpful back. Subscribe to the channel. Anything you can do to help that helps the channel out, that tells the algorithm that people like us and that we're doing good. It helps the channel, helps other people, hopefully. Bye! If you did, please give it a thumbs up for,